In this video, we are going to show you how to use the Additional Candidate Information feature. While creating a test in TestnHire, you can ask candidates to provide additional information. Let's see how it works. First, click on Additional Candidate Information. Next, give a heading to the section. For example, you can add a heading like Personal Information. Then click on Add Question and select the text input type. After selecting the input type, enter the question label. For example, you can ask for details like full name, email address, or phone number. In the description box, you can add instructions to guide candidates on what information they need to provide. Once everything is filled in, click on Save. If you want to collect more information, simply click on Add Question again and repeat the same process. This is how you can use the Additional Candidate Information feature in TestnHire while creating a test.